This is Rica.
This is it, guys. I cannot get enough of this.
Hi everyone, greetings from the United Kingdom. This is Rica. Today I'm going to experiment making a cake in the rice cooker. Yes, you heard me right. This is a simple vanilla cake. I will bake it in the rice cooker and I will see how it goes and I will update you later. Fingers crossed it will turn out okay. Here guys, I've already prepared the cake batter mixture. It is very simple. It's just a vanilla cake. This is my humble rice cooker that has been with us for quite some time, and it has been a household staple in my household. I will just simply grease this rice cooker with a bit of cooking oil so my cake will not be sticking at the bottom of this rice cooker pan. Although this one is non-stick pan, but just to make sure it will not stick when it's ready to take out, when it's ready and it's cooked. So I will just simply spread the oil everywhere so it will not stick when it's ready. A little bit of cooking oil will do the job. So please take note guys, this is the first time I will do this, and I'm not quite sure how it will turn up later on when it's ready. We'll see. So, you know, anyone or everyone who's watching who doesn't have an oven for you to use for your baking needs, if it turns up okay, then everybody can bake a cake in the rice cooker. So fingers crossed and wish me luck everyone. I'm hoping it will turn up fine and edible and okay. So yeah, here's our butter guys. This is the cake batter mixture. I will pour it inside the rice cooker, just simply like that. All of it. Use this spatula to scrape off everything counts, and all these yummy bits left, I'm sure it will taste the same and yummy. So there you go guys, I will tap it to make sure there's no air bubbles, so our cake will turn up just fine. So I will just tap this like that to make sure no air bubbles. Also that one, we have to scrape it to go down to that level, so at least everything cooks the same, and at the same time they will be cooked the same and even cooked. So it's just like that. So guys, my cake batter is inside the rice cooker now. All I have to do is remember to switch it on and cover it, because I'm very good in forgetting things. I'm hoping it will turn out okay and edible. So wish me luck.
Please do me a favor, rice cooker. Make me proud, okay? So guys, I'm just crossing my fingers. Hopefully, it will turn out okay. Wish me luck. All the best, rice cooker. Prove me your worth, please. Alright guys, I will update you later. So guys, after a few minutes that my cake batter is inside the rice cooker now, I will update you that it looks like it's working. So initially it's working. As you can see, it's bubbling away, and the sides, I'm not quite sure if you see it, it's drying up, and you can tell that it's cooking. So I'm not quite sure if I can and I'm allowed to open it. But anyway, just for the sake of you guys that you want to know, I'll open it. So you can see it's actually changing now. The consistency is changing, and as you heard it, it suddenly switched to the warming button now. So that means, not quite sure really what happened. It's supposed to be cooking, but now it's warming up. So we'll see. I will wait how it goes. I will update you later. I will try to switch on to the cooking mode again and see how if it is working. Oh, it works. So yeah, I will see how it goes, and maybe it will click it again and it will change into the warming mode again. But I will keep switching on and on later on until it is done and it's ready to eat. Here it is, guys. It's starting to look good. I think it will be ready in a few more minutes. Here it is, guys. We'll check. We will prick to test if it is cooked. But there's still a bit left there. Let me see. Doing the prick test now to see if it is done and cooked. This looks like it's clean. I think it's ready. Woohoo! We'll see. This is the moment of truth.
2,000 years later.
This is it, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see. This is the moment of truth. We'll see. Dun 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 dun. It's a bit overdone at the bottom, but hopefully it's fine. Let me see. It's a bit overdone at the bottom, but it's fine. We will see how it's done. Woohoo! Ta 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 ra 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 ra. Ta-da! Whoa. I'm so proud of it. I am so proud of it. It's so nice, silky soft. That's really nice. It's nicely done. This is the moment of truth. We will try it
if it is nicely done. It's just a piece of this one, just like that. Here it is, guys. This is the finished product. This is the rice cooker cake. This is it, guys. This is the moment of truth. I will try and I will let you know. This is it. This is it. Ooh. So good?
Wow!
Try it. You try, guys, you try. It's a guaranteed. It is well cooked and it's well done. Try it. I cannot get enough of this. And one more, and the last one. This is the last bite. Bye everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.